In this video, I will show you 4 practical cases on how to get current time using bash scripts. So let's see how it works. In the first case, I will show you how to get the current time in 12-hour clock format. So let's see it in details. Now I will create a script named currenttime.sh. For this, I will use the nano command. Over here, I will edit my script. So I will start with the shebang line. Next, I will write the printing statement. Will tell the current time. Here I will use the date command with a format specifier %r to print the current time in 12-hour clock format. For this, we'll use the command substitution using $sign and parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, I'll write the date command plus, then I'll write quotation. Inside the quotation, I'll mention the format specifier, which is %r. I am done with my script, so I'll save and exit using Ctrl+S and Ctrl+X respectively. Now I will execute the script, but first I will provide the executable file permission. For this, I'll use the chmod command. Next, I'll execute the script using / notation. As you can see, it gives the current time in 12-hour clock format with the AM or PM specifier. Next, in the second case, I will show you how to get component of current time using bash scripts. So let's see how it works. For this example, I have already created a script named component.sh. Now I'll explain my code. I have started with the shebang line, then I have separated the different components of the current time, for example the hour, minute, seconds, and milliseconds using specific format specifiers. For example, %i format specifier gets the current hour, %m gets the current minute, %s gets the current second, and %3n gets the current milliseconds. Then I have written separate print statements and accessed the variables using $sign to print them accordingly. Now let's see how the output looks. Now it's time to execute the script. So I'll provide the executable file permission first. Now I'll execute the script. As you can see, it separately prints the current hour, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. Next, in the third example, I will show you how to get the UTC time, also known as Coordinated Universal Time, that is, the time which remains same regardless of the different time zones. So let's see how it works. For this case, I have already created a script named utctime.sh. Now I will explain the code. It starts with the shebang line, then I have defined a variable current UTC time which is set to a command substitution where I have used the date command and the option u, and plus I have used a format specifier which specifies the hour, minute, seconds, and the UTC part. Next, I have written a printed statement where I have used the variable to print my UTC time. Now let's see how the output works. Now I will execute the script. First I will provide the executable file permission using the chmod command. Then I will execute the script using / notation. As you can see, it provides the UTC time. In the last case, I will talk about how to get the current Unix time, also known as POSIX time, that is the time which has elapsed since the last Linux epoch. So let's see how it works. For this case, I have already created an example, script, that is unixtime.sh, where I have started with the shebang line and defined a variable current_unix_time, which is set to a command substitution where I have used the date command and the format specifier %s. Then I have written a printf statement to access the variable to print the current Unix time. So let's see how the output works. Now I will execute the script to see the output. First, I will provide the executable file permission. Then I'll execute the script using / notation. As you can see, it provides the current Unix time. So this was all for this video. If you want to study further, please refer to the article provided in the video description below. Also, the scripts will be provided in the description to download. Thank you for watching.